Hi, this is an experiment with my group mates how to blow the balloon. Unang gagawin natin ay yung kailangan natin ng materials. Okay, the materials, dapat meron tayong baking soda and butter. Siyempre hindi mawala yung lobo and then suka. Okay. At yung panel pala. Then procedure. Ano? Una, kunin natin yung logo. At yung panel. Ilalagay dapat lagyan natin ng panelong logo.
Tama na.
Relax na.
Ganda ko po ito. Nakahanay.
Dapat huwag masyadong marami yung baking soda.
Puto, mas nakakita yun yun. Huwag masyadong. Ilapit mo na, ilapit mo. Napatay ko sa liga. Gadamin ka pa to.
Okay. Next. Next, lalagyan natin yung buto ng suka. Dapat 1/4 lang.
O, yung mga nagrupo ko po, maraming salamat sa inyong cooperation.
Next, lagay na natin yung logo sa butter. And then, okay. Ayan na. Question, ano ang nangyari kung bakit naglobo yung balloon? Kaya naglobo yung balloon dahil pinaghalo mo ang baking soda at suka and it partially breaking apart and forming different substances. At ito ay tinatawag na neutralization. Then carbon dioxide leaves the liquid mixture and it expands to the butter and the balloon will inflating it. That's all. Okay, thank you.
It's enough.